What's going on? Got my buddy's 2022 Nissan Frontier back in the garage to go ahead and finish up the lettering on the front. So not only do they put it on the back, stamp the Frontier in the back, they also stamp it on the front. So I've convinced them, hey, it's going to look better. Go ahead and match it up. Put the black in, black lettering in. So he ordered this little package right here. Came from, I think he got it on Amazon. Not sure what the brand was. They sell, there's a bunch online. So I'm going to open it up and there's all the letters spilling out everywhere. So here are all the little letters. Looks like they put a protective coating on the front, so that's pretty good. And then the red is the sticky part. So I'll space all these out. Looks like we've got all the letters here. And they provided some alcohol pads, so I may try to use those. I did grab some of these. Thank you, Harbor Freight, for the free deal on these microfiber towels this weekend. And I've got some alcohol. So we're going to get it cleaned up, and then I'll show you a couple letters, few letters, how to replace them. And we'll look at the before and the after. So let's go ahead and start it up. So this is the lettering on the back. Just wanted to show you all that. Did this in another video. The black really pops on this tailgate. So here is going to be the before up front. There is where the Frontier is stamped into the front. So we're about to change that, put the black lettering in, and make the front pop. So let me also show you. I've got these all lined up. This is what came in the package. All the lettering. I like how it gives you little indications on which way it goes. This is the first R. This is the last R. So I'm going to try to use the alcohol wipes. May need to use a little bit more alcohol. So I'm going to get that cleaned up and go inside each and every letter, clean it with the alcohol, make sure it's nice and clean, and then we will start putting the letters on. So let's get it going. Okay, so I've got the F, and we're going to go ahead and show you how to do a couple of these letters. So be really careful peeling off the protective coating. So I went ahead and did that first just to make sure that this looks good and wasn't damaged or anything. So, but this is really fragile right there. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this off carefully. Because like I said, they are very fragile. All right, so we've got that. So when you're placing these, don't put a lot of pressure. All right, I have not pushed down yet, so that looks about right. So now I'm going to apply the pressure. All right. So that's pretty close. It looks pretty good. And let me show you another letter real quick. The R, and like I said again, this part right here, it's pretty brittle. It's real small letters, so you don't want to break those. So be really careful peeling the adhesive off, or the adhesive backing. All right, so here is the R. Just try to line it up as best you can. And it looks pretty close. So I'm going to go ahead and push that down. All right, and I'll probably go back, put a little bit more pressure. So I'm going to go ahead and finish these up, and then I'm going to show you the after. So let me go ahead and do that, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so there we go. So there is the after, and it looks so much better having that black inside the stamped part of the front. So that definitely wasn't too bad. So I feel like it was actually a little bit easier on the front than the back. The letters were real small, but they're very fragile. So be careful when you go to do this. So, but it turned out really good. So he's happy with it. I'm happy I didn't mess up any of his letters. So everything worked out great. So there you go. Looks great. All right. Well, I appreciate y'all watching this video. Glad now that the front matches the back, and I know he is as well. So if y'all like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead. I normally work on a Chevy Trail Boss, but I like working on all trucks, honestly. So appreciate it, guys. And until next time, see y'all.